So Dagiga is a bit of an experiment because we've been doing very interesting charitable work. I'm happy to talk to people about it privately. I don't really get into what we do publicly. As it's written in the good book, I don't let the left hand know what the right hand is doing, or maybe it's the other way around, but you know what I'm saying. We've reached over 13 million people, and we've impacted, it looks like from what we can tell, over 1 million. You know, you're supposed to do good. Like, it should just be in the DNA of the company, right?